Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve real estate sales with CoreLogic, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what CoreLogic offers. CoreLogic provides comprehensive data and analytics for real estate professionals. Begin by signing up for a CoreLogic account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Explore the various tools available, such as property data and market insights. Identify key features that align with your sales goals. Utilize the property search function to find listings in your target area. Filter your search based on price, location, and property type. Analyze property histories to understand market trends. Use the Market Insights tool to assess neighborhood performance. Take note of sales trends, including average days on market. Implement this data to adjust your pricing strategies accordingly. Next, leverage CoreLogic's comparative market analysis feature. Generate reports that compare properties in your market. Use these reports to establish competitive pricing for your listings. Consider integrating CoreLogic's data into your marketing strategies. Create targeted email campaigns based on demographic insights. Utilize property data in your social media posts to attract potential buyers. Develop a customized marketing plan featuring your listings powered by CoreLogic data. Regularly review listing performance through the dashboard. Make adjustments to your strategies based on real-time feedback. Engage with CoreLogic's customer support for any questions or further training. Join online forums or communities centered around CoreLogic users. Learn from their experiences and adapt techniques that have worked for others. Keep up with the latest updates and features from CoreLogic. This will ensure you are always using the most effective tools available. Continuously refine your sales approach based on the insights you gather. Remember, the key to improving your real estate sales lies in harnessing data effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.